Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello, bakers. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of raisin muffins. First, let's get our dry ingredients ready. You'll want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a 12-cup muffin pan. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then, add half a cup of light brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This blend creates a wonderful base for our muffins. Now, let's prepare our wet ingredients and combine everything. A crucial step for juicy raisins is to soak 3/4 cup in hot water for 10 minutes, then drain them thoroughly. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3/4 cup of whole milk. Next, slowly incorporate 1/3 cup of melted, cooled, unsalted butter into this mixture. Finally, pour the wet ingredients into the dry, stirring gently until just moistened. Remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine. With our batter ready, it's time for the final touches before baking. Gently fold the plumped and drained raisins into your batter, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout. Then, divide the batter among your 12 prepared muffin cups, filling each about 3/4 full. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle a mixture of 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and half a teaspoon of cinnamon on top of each muffin. Bake them for 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. To ensure your raisin muffins are always perfect, here are some key tips. First, never overmix your batter. A few lumps are actually good for a tender crumb. Always preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to achieve that beautiful high rise. Don't skip soaking your raisins in hot water for 10 minutes. This keeps them wonderfully plump and prevents them from drying out. Lastly, transfer your freshly baked muffins to a wire rack immediately to cool completely, which prevents any sogginess. Enjoy your delicious homemade raisin muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.